Hi, this is Scott Midwest, your service tech, and today we're going to look at how to fix your Automate Handpiece Maintenance System that has squeaky or noisy front door hinges. So first we're going to open the front door. We're going to remove the absorbent pad and set that aside. So there's two adjustment screws, one on each hinge, and if you use this center notch, you can go into the Phillips head screw with a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to loosen this screw about a quarter turn counterclockwise. Do the same thing on the right side. Okay, while we have this open, we're going to go and give a spray of lubricant on each of the hinges. And then we're going to check the door up and down. Just want to make sure it has a little bit of tension, doesn't fall too fast. If it's too fast, go ahead and tighten the screws up just a little bit. It seems to be good there. Go ahead and reinstall the absorbent pad. Okay. And we're all set.